A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, yes, we have completed our poem at school. Then we have discussed page number 25, 26. Yes, children. Then we have learned, yes, the different shapes. Yes, children. So, here we have learned about 5 basic shapes. What are they? They are circle, square, triangle, rectangle and oval. Yes, we have learned 5 basic shapes. Yes, children. So here see that square is a 4 equal sides and 4 corners, and triangle 3 sides, 3 corners, and we can find so many things. Yes, so we can find so many things which are in a triangle shape. Yes, children. So rectangle, the rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners. Here you can see, yes, 4 sides, 4 corners, and opposite sides are equal. See, yes, opposite sides are equal. So children, then oval, one curved sides and no corners. Yes, children. So we can find so many things which are in oval shape, like here uh, the mirror, grapes, egg, watermelon. Yes, so many things. So children, yes, we have learned this in our last class. So children, now let's continue. Now come to the page number 27. So children, look at the pictures and circle the right answer. So now we have already learned about shapes. Yes, round, rectangle, square, triangle, oval. Yes, children. So already we have know about shapes. Yes, children. So this is your task. So you have to complete this. Okay. Now look at the pictures and circle the right answer. So the book is rectangle or square. Yes, children. Tell me. Yes, the book is a rectangular. Here, what you have to do, you have to circle the word. Now, look at this picture ball. So, children, the ball is in a round shape or square shape? Yes, obviously round shape. Okay, so now come to the third one. The party cap is square or triangle? Yes, as we all know that the birthday party cap is in a triangle. Yes, see. So children, now come to the fourth one. The egg is oval or round in a shape. Children, tell me. Yes, the egg is in a oval shape. Yes, we can see in this picture no corners. Yes, so the carom board is oval or square shape. Children, yes, square shape. Yes, so children, we have learned this. Okay, now let's. So children, now turn the page number 28. Okay, section D. Look at the pictures given here and now fill in the puzzle with the correct words from the box. So children, they have given some words. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to choose these words from this box and we have to complete this box. Okay, so look at the pictures given here. Now fill in the puzzle with the correct words from the box. So this is a puzzle box. So here they have given some clues. Okay, so these pictures are clues and here the words are they have given. So what we have to do, with the help of these clues, we have to complete this puzzle box. Okay, so see here the first picture is a picture of a eraser. Yes, they have given. Yes, eraser, eraser. So now as we have to complete this puzzle using these clues. So now look at this picture. Yes, children, now look at this picture. We can see here it is a picture of a teacher who is teaching. So what we have to do, we have to complete this puzzle box like TEACHER, teacher. Yes, children. teacher. Now come to the third one. See, look at this picture. This is a picture of a chalk. Yes, which we write with chalk on a board. Yes, children. So chalk spelling is CHALK, chalk. Okay, CHALK, chalk. So we have to complete this puzzle box using these clues. Okay, now come to the fourth one. So don't see here. So this is wrong one. Okay, don't see this. So children, so the fourth one is crayon. Here we can see crayon. Yes, so the crayon spelling is CRAYON. Okay, CRAYON. Okay, so children, see here. Now come to the fifth one. Okay, here we can see this is a book. Yes, BOOK. The spelling of book is BOOK. So book. Yes, CHALK, chalk, TECHER, teacher, then CRAYON, crayon, BOOK, book, and then the last one is pencil. Yes, PENCIL. So pencil. So children, read the letters in the circle downwards. They spell a word. Write the word here. So children, see here. तो उन्होंने कुछ वर्ड्स को क्या किया है, राउंड किया है. तो उस राउंड वर्ड्स को लिखें और उससे एक वर्ड बनता है. वो वर्ड कौन सा है वो आपको हमें बताना है. जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो चिल्ड्रन, सी हियर, दिस इज यस. यस, यस, सी. राइट हियर यस, हियर सी, and here see H. Okay, then here O, then here also O, then here L. So this word is school. Yes children, so these all the things are belong to school. Yes children, so we have, so children, we use erasers, pencils, book, crayons, chalk at school only while we are reading and writing. Okay, so children, the word is school here. Yes, so children, do this and complete your fair. Okay, you have to write this in your notebook also. Okay, so children, today we have completed our new poem. Today we have completed our poem at school. Yes children, and the evaluation part is also over. So children, the next we will learn in the next class. So children, before I want to tell you something, that children, you have to read and write everything in your notebook. Okay, so children, see here. So children, I want to show you some pictures. See these pictures once again. Okay, so this type of, this is a rectangular things like bus, board, camera, yes, then ticket, ambulance, yes, and then money, flag, yes, laptop, and then ruler, remote control, purse. These all are rectangular things. Okay, remember this. So here, see children, see here, book, bookshelves, building, they all are in rectangular shape. So the round shapes is pizza, desk, clock, and wheel, and these all are the round shape things. Okay, so here, see here, this is also a rectangular, and this is round shapes. This is triangle. Yes, ice cream, up, and then that, see here, umbrella, ice cream. So these are triangle shape. Okay, so children, now see here, find all oval shapes objects. So what you have to do, we have to find oval shaped objects. What you have to do, we have to find all oval shaped. Yes, so here see, yes, these are oval shaped objects. So children, yes, we have learned 5 basic shapes. Yes, square, then circle, then triangle, then rectangular, and then oval. So children, I hope you understood this. The next we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.